Hey guys, it's Drea. I am so excited for this video because it has been a while since I did a giveaway and I've been meaning to get to this for a little bit. I don't know what you want to call it. Let's call it 15,000 subscriber giveaway. Let's call it summertime giveaway. One of those. Who needs a reason for a giveaway? We're just gonna do it. So this is for all my lovely subscribers. You must be subscribed if you want to enter, so be sure to hit the subscribe button. It has happened before where I pulled a winner and they were not subscribed, so I had to move on to somebody else. So definitely subscribe. There's not very many rules to this giveaway. They will all be down in the description bar below, so be sure to read them all because you need to follow pretty much everything to win. But essentially, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be 18 years or older, 18 years or older, 18 years of age or older, or have your parents' permission. This is an international giveaway. This giveaway will go until August the 15th, so you do have a bit of time to enter it. There will be additional ways to get entries through social media, so like I said, check down below in the description bar for like Instagram and Twitter and that kind of stuff. And then the only thing you have to do besides that is just leave a comment on my channel. I would like to see from you any comment. It doesn't really matter. It could be like what you would like to see on my channel. It could be your favorite thing about summer. It could be how long have you been watching my channel. Or I would like to film a Q&A video soon. So if you guys are interested in a Q&A video, leave me your questions there. It doesn't have to be makeup related. It can be, well, let's not get too personal, okay? But it can be a personal question as well. So just basically leave a comment, be a subscriber. It's as simple as that. Let me show you what I have for you in this giveaway. So I have quite a bit of makeup sitting here in front of me. If you follow me, you know that there's a palette that was such a weird find, but it has turned out to be incredible, and I found you guys one. This is the Clara Cosmetics Desert Rose palette. This palette is amazing. I found mine in Winners, which is just like TJ Maxx, and then I was there a little bit ago and I found another one, and you know what? It hadn't even been messed with at all, because we all know TJ Maxx and Winners, that can happen. But look at how beautiful this palette is. It's so gorgeous. I love mine, so you know I had to pick you guys up one. I have a bunch of single shadows in a gift set from Essence. These are the Velvet's matte eyeshadows. There's a bunch of different colors here. This is a fantastic formula. I have tested this formula with my own eyeshadows. I think it's great. Also, I have two highlighters from Maybelline. One of them is one of my favorites. This is Molten Gold. It's absolutely stunning. And then I also have one of the Master Fairy highlighters in the rainbow, which is so fun. Like, who doesn't want a rainbow on their face? Some lip products here I have from Beauty Junkie. This is the Sparkle Lips. So it's one of those where it has like a liquid lipstick and then glitter, a glitter topper, and then a melted from Too Faced. This is the Melted Metallic Chocolate Diamonds. So hopefully you will like that color. I think it looks pretty good. That should be the color on the box there. So I think that will suit a lot of people. Also from Maybelline, a Vivid Hot Lacquer. This is like a nicely pigmented gloss. That's a beautiful shade. I figured lots of people would like that. And then a little sample Smashbox red lipstick from American Eagle. A selfie light. I just thought this was so cool. Like, who doesn't want a selfie light? I'm pretty sure this is just the charger. You don't need to have that on there when you use it. It just clips to your phone, and then you can have like a ring light attached to your phone camera. It's just the best idea ever. I have here a Maybelline lip palette. So it's the lip color palette. There are 8 different shades of lipstick in here. So cool. Okay, also from Smashbox, this big, huge, honkin' palette, you guys. I don't even have this palette, but I did pick it up for you. This is a Smashbox Create and Transform Masterclass palette. So in here it's got, what, 4 different things? A contour, an eyeshadow, a lipstick palette, and then a transformer powders. So it looks really cool. I know Emily Noel reviewed that a while back, and I'm pretty sure she liked it. I want to say she did. I think she did. All right, Canadian brand here, Gosh Cosmetics. This is a blush that I picked up from them. There is a BH Cosmetics little mini palette here. This is the 6-color eyeshadow palette, Warm to Go. So it's like a little travel. I'll open it up so you guys can see the colors. So there you go. That's a nice little neutral palette. Just a makeup bag. There's nothing in this, but it's a beautiful rose gold makeup bag from Bare Minerals. And you know I had to get you one of my favorite products of all time, the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Wanderlust, which I have. It's a beautiful, like, duochromatic gold pink shifting shade. I love, you guys know. I should have worn one today. They're so great. Okay, from NYX, this is a liquid illuminator, a wavy glow. We have a travel size mascara from Buxom and Lancome right here. A little Makeup Forever blush sample. I thought I'd throw it in there for you guys. And then two last things. I have Gimme Brow from Benefit. This is a full size. This is in shade number 3. And then also a gift set from NYX. This is the Intense Butter Gloss. And we have some really nice vampy colors. You guys know my favorite color is purple. Love it. So there you go. A whole bunch of stuff in this giveaway. I hope that you like what I picked. And also, this is a little bit, this has been a struggle for me whether or not I should include this or not, because I did buy this for you guys quite a while ago and I was just waiting for this giveaway. But then a whole bunch of crap happened and we all know what happened with Kat Von D. But I did buy this for this giveaway, and I did say I wasn't going to feature her products on my channel anymore. If you guys disagree with that, feel free not to enter this giveaway, because you're not going to like me. But if you do agree with my views on vaccines, you can go check out my Kat Von D problematic video down below. But listen, it's a good product. I had already bought it. I can't return it yet. And I do want you guys to have something good. Well, this is all good too, but you know what I mean? I want you guys to have, like, I want to include this because the intention was to include it. This is the Saint and Sinner palette from Kat Von D. So this is also in the giveaway. Like I said, I did struggle on whether or not I should keep this in or take it out. But essentially it's going to be for the winner to decide whether they want to use a Kat Von D eyeshadow palette or not. So I will include it because it was originally intended for this giveaway. So that is everything in this giveaway. I hope that it's exciting to you guys because I'm excited. It has been a while since I have done a giveaway, but I wanted to, like, just say thank you to you guys who have been such a great support over the years to me for my channel. Like, you know, it can't be done without subscribers, and I have some of the best. Like, you guys fill up my comment section with positivity and love and loveliness, and I do love and appreciate every single one of you. I read all of your comments all the time, and I try to respond to as many as I can. Sometimes I can't get to everybody, but I do absolutely read everything. So thank you so much for all the wonderful support over the years. I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Don't forget to check the rules, please, because I don't want to pull a winner and then have it not be you. So definitely check out the rules in the description bar. They will all be there. Share it on social media for extra entries, and that is it. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're speaking kindly to yourself, treating yourself well, speaking kindly, especially when you look in the mirror at your own face and your own body. Let's all be positive about ourselves. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!